Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to set up a welcome message using Mimu bot. The very first thing we need to do is make a channel where the welcome messages will appear. Go to your text channels on the left side of Discord. Click on the small plus icon to create a new channel. Name this channel Welcome so that new members can easily find it. After you finish creating it, go back to your general channel where we can start setting up the bot commands. Now we are going to create an embed for our welcome message. In the message box, type /embed create. When it asks for a name, type greet_embed. This is just the name of the embed, so we can find it later. Then press enter to confirm. Next, we want to set the author for this embed. Type /embed edit author. When it asks you which embed to use, choose the greet embed, the one we just made. Now select text. In the text box, type open curly bracket user_name close curly bracket. This makes sure the embed shows the name of the new member who joins. The next step is to add a title to the embed. Type /embed edit title. Again, select the greet embed. Now type your title. For example, you can type welcome to open curly bracket server_name close curly bracket. This will show a nice welcome message with the name of your server included. Then press enter to send it. At this point you have created the channel, made the embed, added the author and given it a title. Your welcome message is ready. You can add images or any decorations you like, using the same method we used for the title. Thanks for watching.